Guys, today we're gonna be opening this one. Let's start by unboxing right over here and over here. And then let's pack it out. And then there is one right over here, and then the second is right over here. Do you think? What do you think? Now, maybe let's scan the QR code. Or maybe later. Anyway, do you think this Happy Meal is awesome? Okay, guys. Bye.